Helmet.
Helmet. Casco. Casco.
Casco. Helmets are important for safety.
Los cascos salvan vidas.
Helmets save lives.
Los cascos son importantes para la seguridad.
Bicycle.
Bicicleta.
Ride your bike.
Monta tu bicicleta.
Good, set, go. You want to do it yourself? Whoa!
Ride your bike.
Monta tu bicicleta.
Let's ride together.
Montemos bicicleta juntos.
Okay, kids, let's go put these on our bikes. It's a special surprise. Let's go over here and see what it is. You know how you like to carry stuff in your bike?
Yeah.
You know how you like to carry stuff on your bike?
Yeah. A bag. A bag for carrying things on.
Yeah. Let's put it on your bike.
Como a ti te gusta llevar cosas en tus paseos, con esta bolsa ya puedes poner lo que quieras.
Bag.
Bolsa.
Susan, what about your bike? Do you need a basket?
Basket.
Canastilla.
Basket.
Canastilla.
What's in here?
¿Qué hay aquí?
Susan, what's this?
Handlebar tassels.
Listones para el manubrio.
Ribbons. The bag is flying away.
La bolsa se la está llevando el viento.
Better go catch it.
Ve y atrápala.
Garbage. Basura. Garbage.
What are these? Okay. Susan, which one do you want?
Pink.
Alisko, which one do you want?
Red.
Okay, now let's put these on your bikes.
Pink.
Rosa.
Red.
Rojo.
Okay, these go on the spokes of the wheels.
Listen to the sounds they make.
Escucha los sonidos que hacen.
Spin.
Girar.
Wheel.
Rueda.
Susan, blow.
Blow.
Soplar.
Sit up.
So many dandelion seeds.
Oh my God.
Throw.
Tirar.
Stomp.
Pisotear.
Blow.
Soplar.
Jump.
Saltar.
Walking backwards.
Backwards.
Caminando hacia atrás.
Backwards.
En reversa.
Do another slow spin. Slow.
Spin.
Girar.
Jalisco. One more surprise. Una sorpresa más.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Jalisco.
Yay!
Bell.
Campana.
Campana. Bell.
Look at all that garbage we need to clean up.
Mira toda esta basura que tenemos que limpiar.
Clean up.
Limpiar.
Doesn't it look much nicer?
¿A poco no se ve mucho mejor?
Basura. Garbage.
Make sure you remember to clean up your garbage at home.
Asegúrate de siempre recordar de limpiar tu basura en casa.
Triangle, triangle, reflector, reflector. Triangle, triangular, río, rila, magenta, formas, volanta.
Look at her go.
Mírala cómo va.
Okay, Jalisco. Choose a direction and turn that way. Oh, okay, go ahead.
Is that a dog?
Mira, ¿es ese un perro?
Turning around. Turning right.
Girando a la derecha.
Turning around.
Girando en círculos.
Straight.
Derecho.
Slow.
Despacio.
Fast.
Rápido.
She's going to catch him.
Ella va a atraparlo.
Push.
Empuja.
Now push him, Chenchi. Push him.
Oh, we're coming up to a street. We need to be careful and stop.
Estamos llegando a una calle. Tenemos que tener cuidado y detenernos.
Now stop and look both ways. Go in the intersection. Go in the crosswalk.
Detente y mira hacia ambos lados, hasta que no hayan carros o se hayan detenido.
And we cross the street with an adult.
Y cruzamos la calle con un adulto.
Let's go eat.
Let's go eat.
Vamos a comer.
Walk.
Caminar.
Is this a good spot?
¿Es este un buen lugar?
Let's put out our blanket.
Saquemos nuestra sábana.
Oh no, I can't find Susan.
Oh, no encuentro a Susan.
We're gonna look and see what are healthy food choices and not healthy food choices.
Vamos a ver cuál de estas comidas es saludable.
Cheetos. Are these healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Not healthy.
No saludable.
Healthy.
Saludable.
Healthy.
And what is this?
Apple. Manzana. Apple. Manzana.
It's in here.
Unhealthy. Unhealthy. Yeah.
Candy.
Candy.
But what?
No
I want
saludable.
to suckle. Healthy.
Saludable.
Healthy.
And what is?
Carrots. Carrots. Zanahoria.
No saludable.
Healthy. It's a banana.
It is a banana.
Plátano.
Saludable.
Plátano, banana. Plátano, banana. Unhealthy.
No saludable.
Healthy. Orange. Naranja. Unhealthy pop.
No saludable.
What is this?
Cookie. Unhealthy.
No saludable.
A bun. I'm a chicken.
Yeah, it's
And
chicken.
chicken is healthy.
Saludable.
Healthy chicken, healthy chicken. Yeah. Healthy.
Go ahead, have some grapes. Have some grapes. Okay.
Uva. Grapes.
Saludable.
Healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
There's water. Agua.
Aqua.
Healthy?
Agua is healthy.
Saludable.
Unhealthy foods are a treat. We don't eat them every day. Healthy foods, we eat a lot of them every day.
Comida chatarra es un gusto. No se come todos los días.
Unhealthy. Saludable. No saludable.
To peel.
Pelar.
Give.
Dar.
Take.
Tomar.
Eat.
Comer.
Put away.
Guardar.
Deliver some food.
Pack a healthy snack for later.
Guarda una botana saludable para después.
Where does this path take us?
¿Hacia dónde nos lleva este sendero?
Right.
Derecha.
Left.
Izquierda.
I like walking in the forest.
Me gusta caminar en el bosque.
Always go with an adult so you can be safe.
Siempre ve con un adulto para que estés seguro.
Frog.
Rana.
A frog. Yeah.
Run.
Correr.
Stop.
Detenerse.
Run.
Y correr.
I'm gonna get you. Get you.
Laugh.
Reír.
Are you okay?
No, guys, but look at this sign. Look at this sign. A footprint.
Footprint from what do you think?
Maybe a tiger.
Maybe a dog footprint. Dog paw print.
A sheep.
And a bicycle went over it.
What do we see in the forest?
¿Qué hemos encontrado en el bosque?
Footprints.
Huellas.
And what do you think this is? What print do you think made this?
What's that from?
A piece.
¿Quién dejó eso?
Soy.
A dog.
Un
A
perro.
bicycle. This is a bicycle tire print.
Y una bicicleta.
Look at all these bugs.
Bugs.
Insectos.
Chase.
Perseguir.
Wait, now let's turn around and go back.
Turn around and go back.
Den la vuelta y regresen.
Come run with us.
Thanks for playing with us.
Gracias por jugar con nosotros.
La, la.
Come on a bike ride with us.